Transform the look and feel of your outdoor spaces with commercial-grade patio light stringers from PLT, sold exclusively at 1000 Bulbs. PLT's commercial patio light strings are the perfect high-quality lights for restaurants, wedding venues, and more. Designed to outlast and outperform standard consumer-grade products, these stringers are built to withstand the test of time. Each stringer is made using SJTW wire, a durable thermoplastic cable that is rated for 300 volts. This weather-resistant wire is engineered to resist water and abrasion, making these stringers ideal for both the daily and long-term outdoor use. The stringers feature evenly spaced medium E26 or candelabra E12 sockets along the wire and can be either suspended or in line. Suspended sockets drop down from the main wire, while inline sockets are mounted directly to the wire. Each socket is made from high-quality PVC and has a water-resistant gasket that seals around the bulb, providing an extra layer of protection against water entry. Many stringers also feature eyelets for running a guy wire, adding stability and versatility to your outdoor lighting setup. PLT commercial-grade patio stringers have either outdoor-rated male and female plugs or no plugs. Male and female plugs are molded to the wire and sealed against water entry. These plug connections allow you to connect stringers end-to-end, creating longer runs of beautiful outdoor lighting. Strings without plugs offer more flexibility, as they can be easily cut to length, and plugs can be added where needed. The bulbs for these patio strings are sold separately, allowing you to choose from a wide range of options, including colored and vintage bulbs. Our most popular patio string bulb is the shatter-resistant PLT 12106, a vintage LED S14 bulb that delivers 120 lumens. All of PLT's commercial-grade patio lights are UL or ETL listed for outdoor use, guaranteeing their safety and durability. And to give you peace of mind, they are backed by a 3-year warranty. Use them to illuminate backyards, patios, pergolas, party venues, and more. For these and other high-quality outdoor lighting products, call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our US-based lighting experts or visit 1000bulbs.com.